Okay, so this is what the kitchen we have been working on all this time is looking like. This is still my cell phone, so I'm not getting a really good wide angle, and I don't know if that image is scrambling. So yeah, this is definitely turning into, or finishing up as, one of the cooler projects we've done. Yeah, it's hard to believe it's the same house. I guess you would have to look back through 113 episodes to the beginning and look forward to what it is now. Okay, time to go. This is going to get carpeted soon, and then the landing will get tiled. That is all new house. So yeah, definitely a very cool house. All right, so we have been researching our wiring up here in the attic, and you see the red tape on that wire over there. That is one of two hot wires in here, and everything else connects up to those two. These two wires are runners that come across and down and over to there, and those connect up to a three-way switch down the other end of the hallway upstairs here. Our hardest light to contend with is going to be over here. Let me get my light on it. Okay, so you see right there that knob there, and you can see the wire coming across over to there. You just see it dropping down behind the orange pipe. That is the light fixture in the top of the stairway, and that is the common wire to the switch at the bottom of the stairs. So that is the only pain in the butt wire we're going to have, because we have to get a 14-3 wire from the downstairs three-way switch to the upstairs three-way switch. It's lath and plaster, and all the walls are finished, and it's 2 stories, so it's going to be a pain in the butt to get that wire. But the rest of these are really pretty straightforward wires. We have, where is one? There's nothing close by me here, but for the most part, all we have to do is all the lights in the upstairs are powered off of the wire over there. So we will put a box in over there and connect all the light switches up to the power wire over there, and then run new 12-2 wire over to here, and then the old wire will be below the insulation and out of the danger zone. And then from that box we will connect up all the rest of the lights and switches. So it takes a while to figure out just what we're going to do, but I think we have a game plan now. And so we have some of these here. You see how there's a wire that goes down from the knob. So one wire is feeding the light switch here, or a light. There's no switch, it's just a light, and that goes down to an outlet, and so does this one here, goes down to an outlet too. So there's a bit of stuff to do, and those wires over there, right, where are they? Yeah, right there are, all that's going to be eliminated. There will be no active knob and tube wire up here when we are finished. So, okay, and then way down there where that hose is, that vent hose is connected, is light, or a bathroom fan, and not a very good job of connecting that up. Where is it? Okay, yeah, so there it is. I finally got my flashlight on it. Okay, that's it for now, and we'll give you some updates when we start doing some actual wiring. But yeah, planning. Make sure that you get it figured out.